This quick honest review is of the Invisalign Cleaning Crystals for clear aligners and retainers, and with the tub there's 50 packets in it. Let me show you. So this is a neat system from Invisalign. If you have any aligners or retainers that you need to get, that you want to clean really well, this works so great. This particular one that purchased with the tub, I know it costs about an extra $10 for the tub, which seems a little crazy for just some a plastic tub like this, but it is very convenient. It's the ideal size for any aligners or retainers, and it's got the little full line. You can sort of see it in the over there for the instructions. So worthwhile if you haven't bought it, if you haven't had one before. I would recommend getting the little tub with it, but for replacement ones you obviously don't need to get that every time. So comes with instructions, pretty easy and quick to follow. Won't take very long to do it. The little cleaning sachets, there's 50 in here. That's basically what it looks like. You just rip it open, pour, fill it with warm water up to the line, pour the crystals in, put your retainers in, pop it on, shake it, leave it for a bit, 15 minutes, and then shake it again and rinse off. So super easy process. It works really well. The aligners or retainers, they come out super clean. So yeah, this is a really big thumbs up for this product. It works really well. Price point, little bit expensive. You know, this starter kit, if you would, with 50 is around about $50 on Amazon. Now that does include the tub, which is about $10 in the price, because if you just order the 50 packets or sachets, it's about $40. So yeah, you obviously only need to buy the starter kit the first time, and then you can just buy the cleaning crystal sachets after that. So that's the only downside really that I can see, is just the price point. It's a little high. There are 50 in here. They say, you know, use it every day, but I'm sure, you know, depending on your aligners and things like that, you might be able to skip a day here or there. But yeah, so this is obviously good enough for you know, sort of a month, well over a month and a half. You might even be able to stretch it out to 2 months from this. So yeah, going to give this a big thumbs up for this product from Invisalign. The cleaning crystals, highly recommended, and they work very well. Thanks for watching Quick Honest Reviews.